everyone! Welcome to Cricut Time! If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut mini press with this back-to-school hack. Labeling clothes is super easy, and what's even better is that you aren't using a Sharpie or something that will soak through. For this project, you just need some iron-on vinyl or heat transfer vinyl, and either a heat press or an iron. I will be using Cricut's mini press for this little job. Let's start in Design Space. Add a text box and put in your child's name. I'll just change the font. The one that I want today is KG Lego House, which I downloaded from dafont.com. There are a few different headings at the top. If you are looking for a font that you know you've downloaded, but it isn't on the list, you probably just need to click on the system heading here. And there it is. Now I just need to resize this. I want it small, so I'll make the height 1/2 inch. There, this looks good. So now I can press Make It. Decide how many labels you want. I'm going to make 8, and then press Apply. For little projects like this, I like to use my scrap pieces of HTV from other projects. I have a little piece that's a rectangle, so I'll just pull these names over here so everything fits in my piece. Every time you're using HTV, make sure you do this step. Over on the side, turn on Mirror. You need to cut the names out in reverse so that when you flip them over and stick them on the shirts, they end up the right way. Now this is ready to cut. If you haven't used HTV before, there are 2 different sides. The shiny side is the carrier sheet, and the more matte side is the actual vinyl. Put this on a green mat, and make sure you put the shiny side down. Pop it into your machine so it can cut out the names. I leave the design on the mat for this step, and use the weeding tool to pull off the background. Now I can just cut these into separate words. I'll just put my heat mat down, and I have my mini press set to the 2nd setting. I'll prep the shirt by pressing it for 5 seconds. Now I can put on the name and press it for 25 seconds, applying light pressure and constantly moving. Once the front is done, flip it over and do the back for an extra 15 seconds. If you aren't sure what setting you should be using for a specific material, you can go onto the Cricut website and refer to their heat guide for recommendations. Once it is cool to the touch, you can pull off the transfer sheet. Well, this was quick, easy, and is ready to go back to school. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.